Hey, good morning Amazon, and welcome to the camper. And today we're checking out the Cush Zone seat cushion. Now the reason we bought this is if you spend a lot of time seated at your job, like my wife does sometimes, she'll say her lower back or tailbone hurts, and I wanted to get her something that made her a little bit more comfortable at work. So I settled on the Cush Zone for a few reasons. And the first reason, although I got black, it does come in 3 colors, blue, black, and gray. Second reason, the cover unzips, it comes off, so then it's washable. Third, this is one of those gel infused ones, so it stays a little bit cooler, pulls heat away from your body. So anytime you can do that to make your seat a little bit more comfortable, it's definitely nice for you. Let me grab a chair and show you what it's like. So now that I have things moved around in this tight space of the camper, we can take a look at the cushion on the chair. You can see with it pushed all the way back to the back of the chair, it's slightly more shallow than the chair. But that works well because it allows your knees to come over top. Width-wise, it's about the same as the standard chair, but you don't have to worry about it slipping off. It's hard to see, but there are little grippers on the bottom of this, so it should stay in place most of the time. And I can tell you on my wife's office chair, it fits perfectly. Now, as I sit in it, it does raise you up a little bit on the chair. So the back of the chair is a little bit lower on my back than it was before, but you do settle into it. And one thing to note, it does have a little bit of a raise kind of right in that bottom area. In fact, here, let me show you. The best way to show you what I'm talking about is for the cushion to be facing backwards towards you. And you can see that it raises up right here. That's kind of right at the center of your bottom area. It helps to support that area, but it's not uncomfortable. But what everybody always wants to know is would I recommend this or would I buy it again? And actually, I probably will. This one is for my wife that we got her to take to work, but we're probably going to buy one for here at the house too. Like I said, what I like about it is the fact that it covers the entire chair. It's got a non-slip backing. It unzips for easy washing. It's gel infused, which will help it stay cool. Got a little carrying handle on it, and it comes in 3 colors. There's really nothing not to like about it. It's just a great product that does exactly what it says, and it makes seating a little bit more comfortable for long periods of time. So as always, Amazon, I hope these short reviews help with your purchasing decision, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your shopping day.